As you can see, we are here to witness the joining together of our brother Michael, and our sister Esomchi, in a holy matrimony. Let me say this for the very last time. If any one of you here know anything that can stop this marriage or that disqualifies them from getting married, please indicate by raising up your hand. Anyone? Okay, since no one is raising up his or her hand, let's proceed.
No, Pastor, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I can't do this. No, I really can't do this. Please, I'm sorry.
Oh, don't do this to me. Why? What happened? Please, for the sake of what we share, don't bring us shame, please.
Tell me, do you know her?
I am not denying. All I'm saying is, let's go and continue with the wedding.
You murderer!
Hey! Jump. I overheard you say murderer. Who murdered who?
I don't know what she's talking about.
You will pay with your life. I promise you will rot in jail.
Please.
Michael, what is she talking about? Michael, what is she talking about?
Hey! My enemies are at it again, no. But the God I serve will not let them succeed.
Sir, please help me. Sir, please don't leave me here, please.
Who is after you?
I will tell you later, sir. Please take me away from here, please, sir.
Okay, just enter. What's in your bag? What's that?
It's my clothes, sir. Please help me, sir. Please.
Where do you want me to drop you?
Please, sir, just take me to the motor park. Please.
What is the problem? Who is after you?
My madam. She wants to sell my unborn child.
How? What do you mean your mother wants to sell your unborn child?
I don't know, sir. I don't know. All I want now is to go back to my parents. But I don't have transport fare.
Let's go. How you doing?
I'm fine.
I'm gonna be orange.
The sky looked mystery and cloudy. It looked like the rain's gonna fall today. Since morning I've been sowing my seed, waiting for the rain to drop and water it up. Oh Lord, yeah. I am a hungry man. Sachi! Sachi, what is it? What happened to my goods? Oh my God. What happened to you? Who did this to you?
What?
Yes.
You were raped? Jesus Christ. Someone like you should be in school. I'm not walking.
Sir, my madam promised my parents that she will take me to the education level. But since I came here, I have not gone to school even for once.
That woman deserves to be in prison for making... Oh, Jesus Christ. How can people be so wicked? So she inspired those men to rape you?
Yes, sir. Even when I told her about it, she beat me mercilessly and asked me not to talk about it again. I'm tired, please help me.
Where do I find that woman?
Sir, please, all I want now is to go back to my parents so they can take care of me, sir. Please help me. Help me, sir. Please help me.
Look, you don't understand. I feel so pained now in the story. Okay? First of all, what we are going to do is you cannot you cannot make it to your village now. Ebonyi State is far, okay? I have a comfortable house that I can take you to. At least you eat, freshen up and rest, okay?
But sir...
This one, your face is like this. Make sure you sell all these goods, so don't come back with any of them.
Madam, I've missed my period.
Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? You dare not get pregnant in this house. You know I will kill you now. You know now. I will kill you. You better pray it is not true. Because if it turns out to be true that you are pregnant, you will regret being born into this earth. Go and sell my goods first. By the time you come back, we'll face that.
That woman dealt with me. Even when I told her that the pregnancy was as a result of that rape, she wouldn't let me be. She maltreated me like it was my fault. She tried all she could to make me abort the child, but I refused.
You know your parents won't like to see you pregnant. Or even hear that you have a child. So that thing in there needs to be flushed down the toilet.
Yeah? Madam, Madam, please, I don't want abortion. Please.
Really? You think you can have that thing in my house? Who will take care of both of you?
Then, Ma, let me go back to my parents. I know they will take care of me. I know.
Are you stupid? Huh? Listen, I'm going to make this house hotter for you. You haven't seen anything yet. Listen, I assure you, you will not have that baby in this house. And you're not going back to your parents either. Stupid girl. Nonsense! Yes, see, I'll bring her to you so that you take care of her till she gives birth. Yes. Yes, when she gives birth in your house, now play with her small mind so that you keep the child. I'll make sure I fulfill my own side of the bargain, yes. But you have to promise me that you must take good care of her, proper care of her, please. Yes, keep my part payment ready. I will pick it when I bring her to your house this evening. Just trust me. Don't worry, don't worry. Okay, alright. See you in the evening. Alright, bye.
Where do I see that fool? I want to personally arrest her.
Sir, please, all I want now is to go back to my parents. Even if you don't want me, even if you don't want to give me money, sir, please just take me to the motor park and pay for my transport. I will be ever grateful, sir, please. Sir, please help me. Please.
So Chima, right?
Yes.
what we're going to do, yeah? I will personally take you to your village. But as you can see, it's already getting late. Ebonyi State is a very far place, okay? So what we are going to do is, I will take you to my house. Just feel free, you're safe. Of course you know you're safe. I know you're scared, but you're safe. Trust me. I have a comfortable place. I'll take you to my house. You freshen up, relax, and eat first. Okay? Then we'll take up the action.
But sir, it's almost late.
That's what I'm saying. It's almost late, so we can't go to Ebonyi. You can't even go to... I can't allow you to do that. Okay? Just don't worry. Justice must prevail. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Stupid people.
God bless you.
Okay, I just have to go back in the road now, eh?
Okay, sir.
What? Okay. No problems. What a wicked set of people. Some people are really the devil. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Have you had something to eat at least? I guess no.
No, sir.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Come in. Don't be scared. Come in. You don't have to be scared. I stay here alone. Just come in, okay? Okay, let's have a seat. Now, I want you to relax, okay? So what do I offer you?
Nothing, sir.
Hey, you can't tell me that, okay? You have to eat something. Look, you don't have to be scared. I am not your madam. I cannot hurt you. Okay? So relax. Like I said, I live here alone. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Very good. So, even if I don't have anything in this house, I can quickly rush out to get you something to eat. Fine. I'm coming, right?
Okay,
Hey. So Chima, right?
Yes, sir.
Don't be scared.
Relax. Alright, I'll be right back. Quickly.
Aban!
This one will they run up and down like this. It be like saying don't score go for another person matter. Now they run gitty gitty, they run gata gata, eh?
What's wrong? I know your point, nose. Oh, thank you. That was tripping you. Or what tripped you when you saw me? Oh my god.
Good afternoon, Mr. Mike.
Good afternoon, Sonia. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. Why is it just like this? You know the one?
Yeah. Nothing much. Should I say, did one of my charities today. Oh. Well, I picked a pregnant girl on my way back from work today.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
I saw a helpless pregnant girl on my way back from work today. The girl was just, crying on the road and begging for help, so I couldn't really help it. I had to,
Mike, what's wrong with you? Do you ever reason like every normal human being? I mean, how can you just see a pregnant helpless girl on the road and you pick her home? Who does that? Who does that?
So were you expecting I leave her in that state? What if something bad? Just think from that aspect too now. Don't blame me.
Okay. What if something happens to her in your house? What do you do?
Well, we shouldn't think like that. Nothing will happen to her. It's just, see, guy, you need to know me now. I can't stand someone crying like that without extending.
Mr. Mike, I absolutely understand what you were saying. But I think you should consider sending her out of your house, or rather, report her to the appropriate authorities. You know, a lot of terrible things are happening these days. Isn't it, honey?
Well, it's not like she's staying in my house forever. It's just for the night. I'm going to take her back to her house.
Well, have you ever thought of, must you help everyone, Mike? Mike, must you help everyone? I mean, you help carelessly.
The thing is, I have a compassionate heart. I can't turn my back on someone I know I can help. It doesn't go well. Even when I try to, I still end up going back to help. I can't really fight it. It's nature.
I am not asking you not to help. But you need to be careful. You see, these days there are people who help and they get into trouble.
Guys, it's okay. Don't think like that. What's good now?
Mike, I am not very, very comfortable with this thing.
Hey, I can't believe this. Eh? I said it. This girl is an Obanje. She wants to drag me into trouble. But I will show her why I am called Madam China. You see that child she refused to abort? I'll go sell and chop the money, clean mouth. Wherever she must have run to, I will dig her out. I must. She wants to spoil business for me. Nonsense. Wait.
You don't have to be scared. I told you, no harm will come to you here. Alright? I got the fruits for you. You know what? Let me go to the kitchen to get plate. Come in. Don't be scared. Relax.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
What is keeping Michael?
I don't think he's going to show up.
Why?
Did you say why? Don't tell me you've not heard.
Heard what? Is he out of town?
Peter. Mike told me he ran into one innocent pregnant girl in the street.
Okay.
And guess what he did? Took the girl.
Don't say that.
Swear down. Took the girl home.
Michael took the girl home.
Total stranger.
Jesus Christ. Why would he do something like that?
I'm surprised too.
He wouldn't tell me that. Because he knows that I will go straight to his house and throw the girl away.
What a risk.
Oh.
Boy, mad traffic. How far now?
Michael. He just told me something now. Is it true?
So you don't reach your table?
This guy, they use gossip swear for you. Just now. Didn't I tell you she won't stay in my house for long? Okay, you've told him now, or you flog me.
You're calling me names, have you?
Please, just don't talk to me, please.
Talk to me.
What's that one?
Call him Amebo.
Boy, come.
Let's see what will happen to you.
Big head. Come on here. Big head. It's just one young girl, one pregnant young girl. I saw on my way home. The girl was just crying, stopping cars. I had to reverse. So to cut the long story short, so many touching stories told, I had to take her to my house.
Oh. Pastor Michael, so the only righteous man in this city.
Onyoma.
Don't you know that the good and innocent die because of the crime they know nothing about?
Exactly what I've been avoiding.
Michael,
Start
please,
preaching.
Please, go home and throw that girl away. I don't even care.
Which one is thrown away now? Is she a commodity? I can't send her away like that. I already promised her that I would take her to her house. See, guy, if you wear my shoes, you would do the same. The girl is so young. Very, very young girl. Pregnant young girl.
Okay, the best thing you do, I've just told you. Just take her away. That's if you listen. I'm warning you now. Take that girl away. Take her away.
I will. Mike, if you wear my shoes, you would do the same. You want to shoot there now. Peter, give me a drink.
Come on. My drink.
Wait till the dad
will enjoy you. They worry you. See the worries. Now you get more to sit back.
Now. Announced to the whole neighbor, so I carry pregnant girl.
Which English you speak then?
You don't even tell us.
Trying to help humanity. That's what I said.
Are you sure you saw her on the road, or you are irresponsible?
Humanity.
Oh, sir. We're ready to go to work.
Yes. Here.
Okay, sir.
In case if you want to buy anything you need.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sir. Sir, when are you taking me to my parents?
Oh yes. You see, I was meant to discuss that with you. You see, I'm always busy weekdays. Okay? But that's not a problem. This weekend, I'll go to drop you off.
Are you sure?
Of course.
Okay, sir. Thank
So,
you.
do you need anything else?
No, sir. Sir, I wouldn't want to go outside to buy anything because my madam might be looking for me.
Oh, that is not a problem. You can call Abban, the gate man. Okay, just call him, tell him anything you want, he'll get it for you.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Oh, come on, you're welcome. I thought you had to use the microwave, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine, just anything you want, relax, and take care of yourself.
Okay, sir.
Alright, I'll see you when I'm back. Bye.
Thank you for the money.
Oh, don't mention.
What if I run away with this money? I don't know what will become of me. He looks like a good man though. And this house is so beautiful. I just wish his intentions towards me are good.
What would I tell her parents? Eh? This girl has succeeded in dragging me into trouble. Where do I find her? Where do I find her? Where? Officer!
Did you see her?
No, madam. We are here to ask you some important questions that could help us find her.
Okay.
Fatima! 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 Oh. Oh.
Oh. It's now.
So when my guy they run like this, me don't be say this woman won't born.
Hey, Izzy, what's after you? No, please excuse.
What's the problem? What is it? Why bashing like that? You want to break my door?
Sorry, sir. I tried to stop him.
It's alright, you can leave this.
Okay, sir.
What is it? Were you robbed?
Oh. Girl.
Is she in labor? Come on, is she in labor or something? What is it?
I went to give her food. And then...
Is she in labor? Huh?
She's dead. She's dead. I tried to pull off her blood.
She's dead. How?
Hey!
Bad news is this. The girl is dead. I'm lost.
Hey guys. I told you guys I was with my girlfriend and you kept calling me as if all hell was let loose. Why are you guys wearing gloomy faces?
That pregnant girl is dead.
Oh, Soroburu Abiamao. Mr. Harper, what happened? What happened?
Will you just stop this? This is a serious matter.
Do I look serious? No, tell me. Do I look like a joker? I warned him. I told him to return that girl back to where he took it from. Did he agree? He refused. He didn't agree. Now people begin to think we've used her for money ritual. Then the little image I've built for myself over the years will be tarnished. He has tarnished our image, Mr. Harper.
Hey, Joffa, will you just stop this? We should be thinking on how to solve this big problem.
Solve problem? Did you say solve big problem? Have you forgotten when I warned him? If he had listened to me, would you think he would be in this mess? You've messed everything up. You've messed us up.
Hey, Joffa, why are you shouting?
Why won't I shout?
This is my office, Joffa. My secretary is there.
I don't care. Why won't I shout? When I advised him to return that girl back to where he took it from, did he accept? Did he agree? Now look at now. Look at the mess we are into. Look at the mess he has brought us into.
Hey, Joffa, what we should be thinking about now is how to solve this problem. Can you just think?
You should be asking him. Tell him, Mr. Helper, to suggest the way forward. Because as it is now, my head is blocked.
Ejofo, can we just think of something? Can we think of something?
Report to the police. They will just tell myself.
Pogini? Report to Po. I report it to Ekelebe. The man and Keleago will be finished. That will be our end. Don't even reason it.
Can you just reduce your voice? Let's just think out something that will help us in this situation.
Count me out. count me out. Because if it gets to that point, we all go to jail. And listen, I will not go to jail because of this Mr. Helper. I told you, Agwange.
Michael, you have to throw away all this emotion. I bet you don't know what you're going to face. What if the family comes after you? Are we talking about the government dragging you here and there? Even the social media will change the whole story, rebrand it. Please, you have to find something to say. So we have to do something else. Can we just think?
I suggest we take her to where she belongs. Dump her body somewhere in the night so that the police will be off the case.
Okay. It's a good idea, but not too good.
Then say your own.
Okay, but I think the best thing we have to do right now is to go there. Take her to any river within. Okay. Dump her in there so that there won't be traces.
No. We can throw our innocent body to the fishes. She deserves to be buried. She deserves to be buried. We can throw her body to the river.
No. She deserves to be buried. We can just throw her body to the river and fishes.
If you're a child, you might have about migraine. You might migraine. No. Look at tears. Ta! Nonsense.
Oh God.
Mickey, you better dry your tears and be serious.
Ejiofor, you know what he's going through. Let's think of it.
What is he going through? Didn't I tell him? I told him. Return it. No one else. Stop selling that tears. I told you. He quitted.
It's all right.
I can see you're ready to go to jail. But as you go, let the peace of the Lord be with you as you go.
Ejiofor, come back here. Ejiofor, you're practically losing it.
Losing it? Why won't I lose it? Who will be in my state and still hold it? He has made me lose everything. I mean, how do you expect me not to lose it when I advised him, I told him what to do? Now, look at the mess he has put us into. I have lost it.
Ejiofor, enough of
I don't even have
enough of this, please. Just calm down, okay? Calm down.
Find me. Find me.
Fatima! Hey! Fatima! Fatima, wake up! Fatima!
What sort of dream is this? Let it not be that something has happened to this girl. Oh. Will I tell her parents? Hey. 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 If I hear pim from your mouth, Ntakagisi. I mean, I will put you. Look at airport of the world.
Just calm down. Please, calm down. This is not time for this. Okay? Can you get me a blanket? Hurry up, get me a blanket. Just calm down. Okay, you know what to do. Go out, send Papa on an errand, okay? Between the lines, he's aware of what is happening right now. Okay, listen. Try to sort yes. Try to sort it before you go there. Okay. I said try to tell me okay. Please, can you do this? Please, go ahead. It's your feet clean. Don't just put clean. Right. Put that next to you.
Aban. Aban. Yeah. Go and buy bread for me. Bread. Yes. Now.
How is the... Has she come to bed? She's not done.
I don't need questions. Just go and buy the bread. Now.
I see that time where you carry a pump for house, you know they come out again. So me if I come and say, we train much to buy the bread.
He said I should come over to his house. Eh? And I'm here now. What's the meaning of this? I've been here for hours and he's not yet back. Or could it be that? Yes. I think he has gone and with another girl to the club. I just hate this thing Joffrey is doing. I think I'll have to wait. Yes. I'll wait for him. He'll come and meet me in this house. Just imagine. Time to stay here. Okay?
Hey! We are finished. Finished? What do you mean? You are finished? Just shut up. Will you keep quiet?
We just have to turn. We just have to
Turn
turn
where?
now.
Calm down, Lord. Calm down now. Calm down.
See
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. How are you?
Hi, sir.
Man, this is good.
Thank you.
Wow. Yeah, I love it. At least this will bring a new beginning, you know. All those traumas will be wiped.
Exactly. That's
Yeah.
the idea.
You have even gotten a new gate man.
Oh, yes. I have a new guy now. So the idea is to start all over again.
Yeah,
you
this
know?
will be fresh.
Yeah.
I love that.
I even got a new van.
My God.
Let's go inside.
It's all right, man.
You don't fall into temptation and have yourself to blame.